going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the New Balance 990 V4 Wild Style 2.0 DTLR exclusive. Let's get into it. First, you start off with the boxes. You got your normal New Balance box. It's all gray with the silver NB on the top. You got your New Balance right here on this side. Same on this side. But then we're going to get to the front of the box. And it reads 990 V4, New Balance, black and gray. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much you got just a normal box on the inside. You got the same tissue paper that comes with every New Balance. It's all white with the gray New Balance going throughout the different tissue paper. That's pretty much it for the box. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and it is the DTLR exclusive New Balance 990 V4. Alright, starting off by saying I'm loving this colorway. Loving all these different colors they got going throughout the shoe. Just a very colorful shoe, very vibrant. It's just a nice New Balance that they added to add to the collection. It's a DTLR exclusive. That came out. This is the 2.0 Wild Style. They had a regular Wild Style that came out. There was a 990 V3 before. It was a more pastel looking color that they had going throughout the shoe. But this time we got these more bold, bright, summer, springish, different colors going throughout the shoe on this 990 V4. And I think it's very, very clean. And it's just a grade school, like a kids exclusive, in which I love because I do wear kid sizes. But for those fellas and people with those big feet, sorry you weren't able to get these, but they are very, very nice. Clean shoe, giving us something giving the kids, you know, a little bit of brightness and, a little bit of different style going on with these New Balances that we got coming out that's been very, very, very nice throughout the whole year. New Balance has been doing their thing, and they didn't disappoint on these right here either. Very clean shoe. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. Like I said, all these nice colors. You got your blues, your yellows, your reds. Then you got this nice mesh gray right here on top of the toe of the shoe, which is very clean. You got this like a sky blue right here on the side. It's in a, I would say in a, like a suede material right here on the side, on top of the toe. Also, gonna go to the front of the toe right here. You got this nice black suede on the front of the toe of the shoe, which is very nice and clean. We still got a hint of this like a, I'm gonna say like a bright punch red right here on top of the toe also. Then you got this very bright yellow New Balance symbol right here on the side. It's like that, it's like a rubber material. Still got that nice black suede coming throughout the whole side of the shoe. Them hints of that nice red, and then you still got that nice gray mesh going throughout the sides. Also, you got your 990 right here on the side and that nice sky blue colorway, which is clean. You got that hint of that mesh gray right there on the side of the shoe also. Then we're gonna go ahead and flip to the back of the shoe. On top of the heel of the shoe, you got that nice green, I'm gonna say it's like it's suede also. Then you have a New Balance right there and a punch and yellow on the back of the heel of the shoe. And it's still covered with that nice black suede material on the back of the heel also. Very nice. Inside the shoe, it's purple on the inside. Did come with this little tag. It's just telling you how to take care of the colors. If you wear a certain color jeans, it might fade off onto them. Inside, you just got New Balance running in that nice purple footbed right there. And then we got going around the ankle area right here. We got this nice vibrant yellow going throughout the ankle of the top of the shoe also. Flipping back to the front, we're gonna go right here to the top of the tongue. You got your New Balance 990 V4 and this nice green little hook on the top of the tongue of the shoe right here, which I think is very nice, very clean. Black shoelaces, and then you got that nice gray mesh going throughout the back of the tongue of the shoe also. Coming down to the midsole, you got different color midsole. You got this purple, blue midsole, and then you got a hint of like a, I would say like a lime looking color right here on the midsole. Very clean rubber midsole. Got that end cap right there for that nice comfort cushion that we have on the midsole of the shoe. Flip it to the bottom of the shoe, you got that nice same colors. You got the gold, the sky blue, and you got that hint of green right there. You say New Balance, and then you got a hint of purple on the bottom of the shoe also. Very nice, very clean. Like I said, very colorful. You got the eyelets right here that's also in that punch colorway also. But I just love this colorway. I'm loving the way they got all these different colors going together. I love a shoe that stands out, and these right here definitely stand out. You walking around, somebody's definitely going to look down at your shoe and see what you're wearing. And of course, we just tell them it's some more New Balance because New Balance have been doing their thing. This was the right shoe. We're going to go to the left shoe. It looks the same as that way. But what I do love about these, they do come with extra laces. So they did give us a nice punch shoelaces right here that you can switch out to. Which I probably might try to switch them out because I think that just may give the shoe a little bit more pop. But if I want to be just a little subtle, I'll keep the black ones in. But I think I'm going to pop it out, put these punches on in there, see how it looks. Think it'll bring the shoe out even more than it already is. But it's like I said, a very nice, very colorful shoe. Different colors going throughout the whole. And it's a 990 V4. Like I said, they had a pair that came out before in GS. There was a 990 V3. But this time they gave us a 990 V4. And I'm not mad at that because to me, all the 990 versions are all very good versions. So it really didn't matter to me which version they came out with. They all are very comfortable. But like I said, very nice, very clean shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these as you go for them. They came out today, which is July the 14th. And they retail for $110 in GS sizes. They went for preschool sizes, and then they had toddler sizes also. Those are the 3 sizes you could get in these. But overall, very nice, very, very, very clean shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these. If these were your size, were you able to go for them? I think they actually did sell out, which that wasn't a surprise because DTLR exclusives usually sell out every time they bring out a pair. So quite sure they're going to restock because they always restock also. But overall, very clean shoe. Picked mine up in my local DTLR today. They came out in stores and online. So if you had a local store, you were able to just walk in there and pick them up. And you should have been good to go. But overall, very nice, very clean. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. This is the Wild Style 2.0 DTLR exclusive with New Balance in the 990 V4 colorway. So y'all let me know what y'all think about these. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.